Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn one of the loan app called PayRupik. Whether it is real or fake, I will give the quick review about PayRupik. Okay, here I have installed this PayRupik app and I open it and see here my credit limit is showing here. It is 4,500. Okay. Also, I have taken loan from this PayRupik app. Okay. For that, go to account and here click on repayment. Loan record, click on loan record and see here I have taken 3 loans from this app. First I taken 3,000 and I made repayment of this 3,000, then 4,000, then again I have taken 4,000 and completed the loan. So though it gives small amount, but it's real app and it's not 7 days, but it is 14 days I think. I will show. This is the interface and I click on get my loan. If I would like to get loan further, and it is showing that 4,400 is available and it is 14 days. Select loan terms. Okay, compulsorily this is 14 days and loan coupon is also available for me 30. So that will be added to this amount. So if you click on submit, here showing that loan amount is 4,400 and loan term 14 days and received amount is 3,500. Okay, so nearly 900 is deducted as a processing fee, document fee and technology fee. Okay, also GST is 138, interest is 50. Repayment amount is 4,450. So nearly you will lose 1,000 rupees. Okay, nearly that is exactly 950 you will loss, and after 14 days you have to pay extra 950. Okay, so interest is too high, but if you would like, if you really need urgent money and if you are capable of repaying amount, then you can yes, take this loan. Otherwise don't take it. Okay, I don't submit because I don't need as of now, so I don't submit. But this is the loan terms and conditions and what are all the amount they are going to give. Okay, that's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.